Dear Cheri, can you make good edibles with bad weed? Well, that's an interesting question. Maybe it depends what you mean by bad. Before I get to the longer answer, though, I just want to remind everybody, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. So, what do you mean when you say bad weed? You can certainly make great edibles from lesser quality of weed. But when you say bad, I'm not sure what you mean. Like if it's moldy and gross, then no, I wouldn't want to eat that at all. But if you're just talking about a lesser quality of cannabis, then absolutely you can use that for edibles. In fact, that's a really good use for edibles. You can also use trimmings if you grow your own. You can use shake, which is kind of the cannabis equivalent of the crumbs at the bottom of a bag of potato chips. They're the little bits of buds that have broken off in a larger bag. Some dispensaries sell this. If yours does, you're lucky, pick it up. It's a great economical thing to cook with. So from that aspect, if that's what you mean by bad weed, you absolutely can make great edibles. And you absolutely do not need to cook with top shelf weed. In the cannabis industry, there is a saying that says smell sells, meaning those beautifully manicured, fragrant buds that are bursting with terpenes are going to be a lot more expensive than the things on the lower ends. Now, yes, you can incorporate terpenes when you're cooking, but a lot of them are going to burn off by the time you make an infusion or make your edible. And there's a lot of other flavors going on. So really, for most cannabis cooks, paying extra for these terpenes and top shelf cannabis doesn't make sense. So if that's what you mean by bad weed, I don't say it's bad weed, but a lesser quality of weed, absolutely, you can use that for edibles. That is a great use for lesser quality of weed, is to use it to make edibles. So I hope this helps. See you next time. Eat your weed.